Hi Vogue. Hello Vogue. What's up Vogue? Hi Vogue. My name is Bella Hadid.
So my name is Bella Hadid.
No. So for this video, I'm going to be doing a little Vogue beauty secrets, but like very low budget version. Usually in these videos, celebrities would do their whole like makeup routine, skincare routine, beauty routine, and like reveal what makes them look as good as they are. But there's an obvious flaw in this. I'm not a celebrity, so this is a low budget version of Vogue. I do concealer first. I don't really wear foundation because this concealer is already really thick, just like me.
I'm Kim Kardashian West. I'm a mother, millionaire, law student, and billionaire.
No, not thick. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. It's very high coverage. I use a damp beauty blender. I'll wet this. And I just like do like any acne that I have on my face, and then like my chin, and then my forehead, and then like my under eyes for any eye bags or dark circles I may have. And like just so that like they disappear. This concealer is really thick. Just kind of like blend it out. There's a mosquito. Oh my gosh. After that, I do powder to like set everything on. I use the Oil Control Matte Powder by Bayfree. Just like dump it on the lid. Just put it like all over my face. You guys might be wondering like, why am I putting on makeup? Am I going? Am I going out? No. When have I ever filmed these beauty videos like before I'm about to go out? Like there's no way. So basically what I'm gonna be doing is after I do my makeup, I'm gonna have a little photo shoot in my bedroom and feel like a celebrity while doing it. Because why not? I might have put a little bit too much powder and snorting like all of the excess fumes. So hot here. I'm so hot right now. I'm gonna like wipe off the excess. Now that my base is done, I'm gonna do some eyeshadow. You know what? I'm feeling fancy. I'm gonna use the green one today. Here are the colors inside. I'm not gonna use any of the green ones because I'm not that skilled at makeup yet. So I'm gonna use the neutral shades. I'm gonna use this all over the lid, and then I'll put this like on the crease, like around the edge part, and like blend it out. There we go. I'm trying to not make it too dark because I noticed that like darker eye makeup doesn't really suit me, so like I'm trying to keep it just a little bit smoky. I'm pretty sure that's it. I just used those two colors and then like this as on the brow bone to like add some brightness. My hair is really messy today. It's quite frizzy, but that's life with curly hair. So next I have blush. Okay, I use this as always. I use this blush. I guess while I'm doing my makeup, I think I should talk about some stuff. I want to talk about like celebrity culture and like how people really idolize celebrities. And don't get me wrong, I'm not gonna be like celebrity culture, I'm so above celebrities, like they're so irrelevant. Like I'm not gonna act like I'm above like any pop culture. I literally post videos on YouTube, like I'm really not above it, but I do have some things to say about like celebrity culture. I feel like people put like such a high pedestal on celebrities and kind of forget that they're human too. Especially with like cancel culture, they're ready to cancel any celebrity for anything that they do. Although I would agree, like sometimes some problematic things that they do like do deserve to like do deserve to be held accountable to some degree, but like canceling them over the tiniest thing, stuff like that, and like or like just worshiping every move that celebrities do, is kind of weird in my opinion. Like, although I would say I do view like certain celebrities as like certain celebrities and YouTubers and like public figures as role models. Some YouTubers that I look up to are Best Dress. I really like Nylea. She's actually the one that like I got inspiration from her video to create this one. Wizard Liz. Really love her videos as well. Tamcar. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce her name, Tamcar. Some non-influencers like Zendaya, Margot Robbie. I like Megan Fox. Megan Fox is pretty. I look up to those celebrities for other reasons aside from like their looks or like their image. I feel like people have become kind of vain nowadays. Like a lot of people put too much. They put like celebrities on such a high pedestal, usually because of their looks or like because of their status like as celebrities. But the reason why I look up to these wonderful wonderful female influencers and women is because most of them like are very confident in themselves. Like for example, Wizard Liz, Tamcar, Margot Robbie, Zendaya, like all of them are really confident in themselves, and they're probably the reason why like I appear as quite confident is because like the values that I got were mainly from female celebrities, like growing up like seeing them and looking up to them. That's mainly where I got, I guess, my self-confidence from. With like Nylea and Best Dress, those people like I look up to them because of like their style or their makeup, or like apart from like all of these women looking really pretty and really fine, but I look up to them rather for what their values are or what they're teaching. Next, I'm gonna like contour my nose. Or is my contour brush? I'll use this shade to contour from my eyebrow to like down to my nose bridge. I really have to focus with this for some reason. I'm probably gonna get some comments saying like, if you're so confident in yourself, then why are you wearing makeup? To that I say, shut up. I think it's better if we as a society like look up to celebrities, but at the same time remember that they're also human. They have flaws. I saw so many people like calling Margot Robbie or like Zendaya mid, like even though they're like such beautiful women. But like we have to remember at the same time everybody has their own like preferences and their own things that they find attractive. In the Barbie movie, they were talking about like Margot Robbie's cellulite and stuff like that. And I think that's kind of a good way to like humanize celebrities in a way. I wrote this thing on my research paper. One of the paragraphs were about like models and like beauty standards. Like one of the sections were about that. And I wrote down, all of these flaws don't make them less attractive, but rather it makes them more human. So I think we can apply that with celebrities as well. Back to the contour, like this is how I do my contour, like on the like nose tip, like around like this in a circle to kind of make it look like a button. I'm gonna spoolie my eyebrows to like fluff them out, clean them up a little bit. I just spoolie them. I don't use eyebrow gel or like pencil them in because they're already quite thick. I will put on some mascara. Off camera, I did my eyelashes. I did mascara, I mean. Next, lips. I'm not sure if I want to do a lipstick or just gloss. Should I do this? Or I do have this lipstick. It's like, it's this color. Maybe this one, and then I'll add a gloss on top. A lipstick from Matte, Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Burnt Spice. It tastes like chocolate. This is actually a really pretty color. Okay. Oh, I forgot to bring up these other role models I have. I really look up to like certain K-pop idols like Jennie, Wonyoung, and like Chaeyeon, and also Ryujin. I also really love Ariana Grande. I mainly look up to them in terms of like music, also like Wonyoung and Jennie's like confidence and stuff like that, and also Chaeyeon and Ryujin. They're just fine. They're just really fine. I'm going against the whole like image thing, but like they're so attractive. They're just so fine. Like I'll come back when I'm done with my little photo shoot thing in my room, and also I'll try to like fix my hair because it's like really. Actually, this might work out. It's actually not that bad that I'm done. My hair isn't that bad anymore. Oh, also I want to show you guys my shirt. Like, I'm wearing jean shorts right now, but kindly ignore that. There's like a little ribbon thing. Also, if you guys want to see the pictures that I took, go follow my IG. Now that I am done with my photo shoot today, yeah, it's such a long day at work. I know. Like, so many bookings and schedules. I'm done with my at-home makeshift photo shoot, and I'm gonna be washing my face. Okay, so here's the face wash. Rice Water Bright by the Face Shop. So good in my eye, oh my god. I'm gonna be putting on a face mask. Today we have from Real Nature an olive in the flavor olive. Let's see how it tastes. Joke. Oh, I put this in the fridge so that's nice and cold and very much moisturizing. Vogue Beauty Secrets, more like keep your beauty a secret. Oh, I'll put it on my neck. Somebody in my other video suggested, my previous skincare video, suggested to like spread it down my neck. I got these, it's like heart-shaped spoons that my mom got in gold, so like it's fancy, like for dessert, but here I am using it on my face. These don't even cover my eyes properly. I should have just used regular spoons, but I wanted to be fancy and use heart spoons. What if I scoop it up? Ooh, take a bite. Delicious. Ow, I put myself in the... Ow. Oh my gosh, if anybody I know in real life sees this video, I'm gonna... Ow, ow, ow. Are we good? Are we good? No, we're not good. No, we're not good. Wow, that's really... Damn. That was really moisturizing. Okay, that's enough. Hopefully nobody eats from these spoons. I'm gonna have to... I'm gonna wash them. I promise I'm gonna wash them before anybody uses them. Okay, before you guys call me out on that. That's it. Pretty much it for this Vogue Beauty Secrets video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys want more beauty content or any video ideas you guys want in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.